Franklin, in his studies of the Leyden jar, finally realized that it was not the form of the Leyden jar that was important. To test this idea, he took a flat plate of glass, we're using a plastic picnic plate, and covered it with foil on both sides, as we are doing here. Then he could charge this up using the tube. I have to make sure that I touch the foil underneath as I charge the foil on top with the tube. And then Franklin did an interesting test. He removed the pieces of foil, touched them together and found nothing happened. Then he could reassemble the foil on the plate. And now, when he touched the foil on the bottom and again on the top, he got a spark. Then Franklin used this to play a practical joke. He took a picture frame and put foil on the back of it and put foil on the front of it, cut so that it fit under a picture of the king, King George II. Cutting a small metal crown, he could place the crown in the picture, and then he could charge up the capacitor, just as we charged up the flat plate. I touched the crown while I charged the back. Now, someone holding the top of the picture frame where there was no metal could quite safely remove the crown, but somebody holding the frame by the metallized part of the back, when they touched the crown, would get a shock. This was called the conspirators or the treason